Hey, this is Jeff with Whirlwind Family Farm, and I have a question. If you have an organic farm or backyard garden or market garden like we do, and you don't want to use any chemicals and you don't use any chemicals, how do you keep those pests under control? Because as we know, there's so many detrimental pests out there that can literally devastate a lot of your crops and they'll end up destroying them. Well, you have to have beneficials. You have to have those insects that are working for you. And there's a lot of good ones out there. Here at Whirlwind Family Farm, we do everything we can to make sure that those insects or those reptiles thrive as much as possible. So, before we take a quick look, and we'll take a look at a few here I think you're going to enjoy, and it may vary in your area, but remember to like, subscribe, and certainly hit that bell for notification. It helps our channel, and we appreciate it so much. And we'd love to hear your comments in the comment section because you may have ideas that we haven't thought of or haven't seen. So let's take a quick look. So one of the first beneficials is the honeybee. And we do everything we can to make sure we've got those pollinators. And of course, the honeybee is incredibly efficient at pollination. And that's why we put in hedgerows, different rows with flowers to keep those pollinators close by and around and doing their job. As you can see, the butterflies are quite active. And with that hedgerow in place at Whirlwind Family Farm, it does a great job of bringing the pollinators in. But the other thing we have to look at is the beneficials, which go after the detrimental insects. And that's where the wasp does such an excellent job of going after aphids and crickets and other things. In this case, you can see this is a coach whip snake. So anytime we see our snakes, and we love the coach whips, they do a great job of going after gophers, other rodents, mice, and will even keep rattlesnakes away. And when it comes to being able to stop aphids, that's where the ladybug. You can see we do bring in ladybugs, promote them as much as possible, and keep them on the farm. And they have just been excellent as far as going after those aphids. Now, you can see here is the whiptail lizard in Texas. You may not have these in your area, but in central Texas, they are very prevalent. The whiptail lizards are, and you can see he's going after an insect right there. They will go after even very large grasshoppers. So we love to have them around, and they just do a great job. This next picture you will see, that's a little tree lizard. They do a good job of insects, and of course the praying mantis. So those are some of your beneficials we have here at Whirlwind Family Farm. And what we're trying to do is take advantage of the most natural process possible to get rid of those pests. Whether it is a beneficial insect or reptile, the end result is it's helping you win that battle just a little bit more against those insects, which can destroy your plants, your vegetables. So it may vary where you live, a little slightly different insects or any reptiles that may be there, but the end result is you're being able to take care of your farm, market garden, or garden in your backyard in a very natural process and not using chemicals. So best of luck, blessings over your farm, over your garden, and we'll talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm. Take care.